Before we begin with the ride along, if you would like to discover how I was able to generate over $10,000 completely online without having to work long hours, deal with low paying offers, not tip customer or do any gig work whatsoever, make sure you click the very first link in the description below this video. Now let's begin with the ride along. Okay guys, so next pickup, it is from Rubio's and we're here in the iconic Palm Springs. When I took the order was 2 miles for a little over $12, so that's pretty good. So hopefully have it ready, we will see. Okay guys, so we got the order and Uber Eats offered me an add-on for around 5 more miles for close to $14 from Chef Tanya, so I took it. So I'm gonna pick that one next, so let me put this in the car. Okay guys, so we're here at Chef Tanya. This is Chef Tanya in Palm Springs, so hopefully have the order ready. Orlando.
It's down.
Down there. Oh. Thank you. Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's put it in the wet. Let's put it in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, so we're doing the next drop-off and I believe it's here. People said, you know, we're in the car. I don't see anyone coming to approach me, so let me just go ahead and park it right here. Text the person. Okay guys, so we're doing an Instacart. I took the order for $39, something like that, over $30 for 6 items, less than a mile from Bedmo. So first time shopping at Bedmo. Hopefully it goes smoothly. Okay guys, next pickup, it is from Smart & Final, and this is for 20 items, 30 units, $50 going to miles from Instacart. So hopefully I'm able to find everything. It's not hard to do, but we will see. Okay guys, so we got it. Now we got we're gonna start with the how do you call it, the roads, and then we're going to go from there. So now I need to look for the orange. Guys, so we're doing pretty well. So let me look more for this and for the peanut butter, and then I got a few miles to go. Okay guys, so we got one more aisle to go. People are not responding, so the other items that I cannot find, I'm just going to refund it, because you know people are not they're not responding or anything. So let me see if I can find the last ones. Okay guys, so we're done. Now let's put this bad boy in the car and go deliver. Okay guys, so we're here. 5:37. Okay, 5:37. The Ace Hotel, I guess. Please leave it at the front door. Okay guys, so let me get this going. Okay guys, so this is the last part of the order. That's done guys. Okay guys, so we're working on the next offer from Instacart. It is 55 items, 80 units from Bistro Farm, and the payout, it is $123. So there is a $93 tip. So hopefully I can find everything. I don't see any cards. Okay guys, so we're going to start with the veggies. Okay guys, so I believe I'm done with the veggies. So I'm going to go to the deli now. This is the last one. From California, Pizza Kitchen from DoorDash. When I took the offer was less than 4 miles for a little over $12 for items, so that's pretty good. And hopefully they have it ready. Hopefully I don't get hit by a car. Okay guys, so we got it. Now it's busy right now, Thanksgiving week. So let me put this in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, so we're doing the drop-off.
Requested you leave the order at their door. They added the following instructions. Leave at my door.
Okay guys, that's done. Okay guys, next pickup it is from the Which, and what I took the offer was 6 miles for $13. Okay guys, so we got it. Let's put it in the car and head on the way. Which you have to, pour your own the drinks, which is terrible. Anyway, so let me get this going. Okay guys, so we're dropping off the order from Which for DoorDash, from DoorDash. Okay guys, that's done. Let's get on the way. Okay guys, next pickup is from Uber Eats. 7 miles, $15. Dollar to mile ratio, it is okay. Hourly ratio, dollar to hourly ratio, it's okay too, $15. So it's from Del Taco over here, and it's putting me back to my zone. I wanted to go to Costco, but I got this order, so I go to Costco later on today. We will see. Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's put this bad boy in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, so we're working on the Del Taco drop-off from Uber Eats from this apartment 12. Okay guys, that's done. Okay guys, so next pickup it is from Chipotle Uber Eats, 3 miles for $8.75, and then they also gave me an add-on for, they said, an extra mile and 0.6 for close to $10. Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's put this bad boy in the car, and then we need to head to Five Guys, which we're going to wait a little bit because they have to make the fries by the time you show up. Anyway, let's keep moving guys. Okay guys, so we're here picking up the next order from Uber Eats from Five Guys, and I was able to get an order from Grubhub. It's a little one for like $9, but it's heading in the same direction. And I was just offered a DoorDash order from the Cheesecake Factory, similar in the same direction, but I already got 3, and it was only for an extra $10. I could have taken it, but I didn't do it. So if they offer the offer again to me, yeah, I'll take it this time. I just didn't wanna to get too chaotic. If the offer is not worth the while. So it was just an average offer. So not worth getting the contra violation. Plus right now it's kind of like a lot of traffic, so it is a little more complicated when you're trying to do like heavy duty multi-apping, like bunch of offers from different ads from close restaurants heading in close drop-off points. If it's too busy on the street, it takes longer to be able to deliver everything without getting contract violation or customers upset. Okay, so let me go to Five Guys first, and then we go to pay a change. Okay guys, so I got the order. Had to wait like 5 to 7 minutes. It's fine. So now let's go to pay a change, which is just right there, and grab the little one from Grubhub, and then we get on the way and we start delivering. Okay guys, so we're here at pay a change. They're closing on Thanksgiving and Christmas Day. Okay guys, so I got that one from pay a change, and I just got an order from DoorDash, another one from Five Guys, and this is a good one. So, and it's just over there. Okay guys, so we got the last order from DoorDash. Now This is a crazy multi-apping. So this is like, it's called heavy duty multi-apping. I got 2 orders from Uber Eats, one from Grubhub and one from DoorDash. So, but they're heading in the same direction. So now let's get this rolling, guys. Okay guys, so we're dropping off the first order. We're doing the DoorDash because it's the closest one.
The
And
customer requested you leave the order
door over there.
Additional
And then I
instructions are
got
provided
drop
in the
off the Uber
Dasher
Eats.
app.
Now let's get on the way because we got 3 more orders to deliver. Okay guys, so we're here, room 22. Okay guys, so we are here dropping off the last order from Uber Eats. Okay guys, that's done. Now we have the last one. Okay guys, so the last order from Grubhub is this one. That's done. Now let's get on the way. Okay guys, next pickup, it is from DoorDash. When I took the offer was less than 6 miles for $17. It is a double stack, so it is 2 orders, and I believe they have it ready, Alicia and Debbie. Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's put these bad boys in the car and start delivering. Okay guys, so we're here working on the next drop off, and it's going to be by the gym. I normally go to that gym right there, Worst Gym, and this is the mall, right? So the lady in the description said go towards Worst Gym, and then you're gonna go through the delivery area, the double doors. Oh, not sure. Okay guys, so we're here dropping off the last order from DoorDash, 72836.
Next after delivery.
Okay guys, that's done. Okay guys, so we're working on the next order. We're doing a duty multi-app, pairing 2 orders from Uber Eats with one of DoorDash. And let me see, we just got something from Grubhub. Hopefully it is in the same direction. Yeah, but not worth it. Okay guys, so like I said, we're doing a double stack from Uber Eats, 7 miles, $21, and an order from DoorDash, 7 miles, $15.25. All of them from PA Change. Now, I'm not exactly sure where Uber Eats is going. I believe it's going as the same direction as the DoorDash order. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to wait for the Uber Eats, get them, and then start confirm them to see where they're going before I take the DoorDash. Now guys, make sure I have everything. The DoorDash order is not going to work. They're not going in the same direction, so I'm not going to take it. So I'm going to, cancel the order. I mean, I'll assign it. Guys, I was wrong. It works. I just look at the map on DoorDash and yeah, I can make it work. So I'm going to go back. I haven't unassigned it yet. Okay guys, so we got it. So I was able, I look at the map and I think I should be fine. So I got it double stack from Uber Eats for $21. And I got this other one from Judy for $15.75. All of them from PA Change. Okay guys, so we're here. Let's get this done. Okay guys, so we're here. I think it's that one right there. I think it's this. Okay guys, so the next pickup, it is from DoorDash, Cheesecake Factory, close to 9 miles for $18. So it is $2 per mile, which is average, and the hour and the dollar to hourly ratio is good because I can get that in 25 minutes, 30 minutes. If I can do 2, I could be over $30 per hour. So anyway, so it's a big order, so I'm hoping I'm going to get some hidden tips, but who knows. Okay guys, so we got it. Now hopefully we can get something else heading in the same direction. Got something from Uber Eats. Come on. No, got junk. Anyway, so I get some hidden tips. We will see. Okay guys, I got lucky and I was able to pick up another order from Grubhub for a little bit over 4 miles for close to $13 from Babe's Barbecue. This is a very expensive barbecue restaurant here, and it's heading in the same direction as the Cheesecake Factory one. So that's very good. So let me go ahead, see if they have it ready. What time Grubhub wants me to pick it up? Oh, okay, so it's only 4 items. Okay guys, so we got it. Okay guys, so we're dropping off the order from Grubhub over here. Okay guys, that's done. Okay guys, over here. Hi, how are you?
Hi, good, how are you?
Good. Okay, here's the extra bread.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. And here's your purme. Have a great night.
Thank you so much,
Welcome.
you too. Take care.
You're welcome. Okay guys, next pickup, it is from DoorDash. It is from Donato's Pizza, which is just a nickname, virtual nickname from, of course, Red Robin's, right? So I am at Red Robin's, aka Donato's Pizza. If you order through DoorDash, Uber Eats or Grubhub, and the offer is 6 items for $12.75. I'm gonna get some hidden tips. We will see. Okay guys, so we're working on the next pickup. It is 6.2 miles for $14.25, but it's 11 items, and I believe it is heading to a hotel, so it might have some hidden tips. Oh, and it is from the Cheesecake Factory, so it is a good restaurant. And I saw the items, and they're pretty good. It's a big order. So okay guys, so we're here at the Cheesecake Factory. Got a Grubhub order.
Hi there.
Hi, how are you? Not good. Okay. Hopefully I have it ready, we'll see. Okay guys, so it was a pretty big order. The lady inside over there, she didn't know crap guys. You're like, I don't know if this is for her. It's like, lady, there's fucking 11 items. Jeez. Well, some people are like, don't know shit about anything guys. Just not even millennials. Oh my god. Millennials kids fucked up humanity. We did a bad job raising children. Really bad. Anyway, so let me put this in the car and head on the way. If you watch the entire ride along and you would like to discover how I was able to generate over $10,000 completely online without having to work long hours, deal with low paying offers, no tip customers, or do any gig work whatsoever, make sure you click the very first link in the description below this video. Guys, this is Carlos and I will see you on the next video.